beautiful best friends. I look like a ghost. Today I'm filming a video that I've been waiting to film for a long time. Also, can I address my nails? These two fell off. I'll try to like hide them. I need to fix that. And also, if you want a tutorial on how I do my nails at home, I do these at home, let me know and I'll do it. I feel like my voice is if it looks like I'm balding in some places, I'm not. It's because my blonde roots are, you know, showing. I need to get my hair done. I dyed my hair dark, if you didn't know. I'm naturally blonde, so you know that happens. It looks like you're balding in some places when you just need to get your roots done. And if you're new to my channel, what is up? Make sure to subscribe. My name is Mel. I post videos weekly. I'm excited to post more content. I took a little break, but I'm back now. So let me know down below what videos you want to see from me. And also make sure to give this video a thumbs up for Mel being active. I asked you guys on Instagram and Twitter. I got a lot of similar questions because there's questions I feel like I should be answering, but I haven't, and that's because I've been waiting for this video. I'm not someone who likes to just put little like crazy things online and say things that I'll regret later. I like to get my words in, you know. And that's regarding just one topic because very stressful, but I want to do a whole video on that and just get really deep into it because there's so much I could say. It's about the house situation and why I'm stuck on the lease in this 6-person bedroom house and why all my 4 roommates dipped out on me. Talk about that later. I don't want to say too much. I'm just going to be updating you guys on my life. It's been a minute. I used to do sit-down videos like this all the time, and I miss them a lot. I feel like it's kind of the most personal, like you, me, we're sitting, we're chatting. Get some food if you want. And also, I'm in my bedroom. If you guys want a room tour, let me know. I have put so much work into my room, and I love it. Like this video if you want a room tour or a house tour. Also, let me know down below. Let me know, because I can do that for y'all. Also, something I want to talk about, which is something that I've been thinking a lot about, and I feel like it'd be really awesome and a really new, kind of challenging, interesting experience for me and just other people as well. But right now, we have 4 empty bedrooms in this house. So I talked to my managers and we decided that if you want to come stay at the house, you can stay for a month, you can stay for until the end of the lease if you want. All you have to do is be 18 and up. You want to make content, you want to collab. I'm looking for people that are really motivated and just want to focus on what they love, whatever that may be, and also be able to pay rent. We'll discuss that later on if you're interested, but that's also something that's mandatory for some creators that are beginning, but I can help you and just kind of mentor you with social media a little bit. I know a lot about it and I'm getting back in the groove and whatever, so I'm ready to help people as well. If you're interested, make sure to email meljoymanager@gmail.com. It'll be right here, MELJOY, my name, and then MGR. But yeah, I'm super excited because I just feel like it's a great opportunity to meet new content creators and whatever, and yeah, so just email that email, and if you're serious about it, and I live in Vegas, by the way, so you'd have to move to Vegas, but we live in a beautiful place. We have a pool in the backyard, and of course, if you're interested, I'll send you videos of the house and stuff. It's an amazing house. We have a little basketball court, we have a pool, a hot tub, so let me know if you're interested in that because that'd be amazing. I want to try something new and I feel like it'd be a cool way to make like an interesting house. Like, I don't know. So yeah. Can I just say before we start this video that I've had probably, I'd say these past couple months were some of the craziest times I've ever had in my life. I've dealt with a lot of crazy bullshit, but I've dealt with a lot in this house. In Vegas. Some of it bad, but there's a lot good about this life update because it's about me, my mental health, all that stuff. So let's just get into it. I feel like I'm already starting to talk about the things and I should just, get into it. The first question we're going to talk about because I have been very open about it on social media, and also if I'm like, my eyes are, it's because I'm using this studio light that I haven't used in a while. Wait, okay, hello. I'm getting used to how bright it is. There's something on the lens. I've been very open about this on my YouTube for as long as I've been on it, on YouTube. I've been very open about it just because I feel like it's something we all go through. Some people like to ignore the fact they do, or they don't want to talk about it, and they like to push it down or whatever, but for me, I've just dealt with a lot of anxiety and depression, and the anxiety for me started in 3rd grade. Or I don't like to say anxiety, but whatever, the chemical reaction is happening in your body. You know, putting labels on things, mental illness is like, okay, dope, but we don't really know what it is. So the first question is, how is my mental health? This is something I'm actually really excited to talk about because it is so much better than it used to be. I feel like it's easy to tell kind of with me, like I can't really fake it, and I tried in my old videos when I was kind of going through my stuff. Not when I first started out, but later on. And I got a lot of comments like, she seems so different, da da da. And I was just going through it, bro. Crazy things like don't even want to put online happened where I was just like, I mean, it happens, right? But it's like, I was really going through it, and I feel like for me, I have to feel my emotions to get over them. I'm not like, okay, push it down, it doesn't matter. Like, if I don't sit there, feel it, get over it, it's gonna like haunt me every day. And like, I've noticed if I do that, one day I'll explode. You know, like one little thing will just make me explode because of everything that I'm holding in. It's just like that buildup, you know, and like that's unhealthy for me, I've noticed, to like just keep things in. So I like to reflect, take it in, realize what happened, just move on, because what's the point? Why live in the past? I don't know, I just feel like I'm in a way better place. Although I have less people in my life, I have my real ones, and I have the people who I know really love and support me, and I don't need more than that. I don't know, I feel like I'm just a lot more comfortable with myself, with my surroundings, with the world even. I just was in a very dark place. I had a very dark outlook on life, and now I'm more live in the moment, be happy, do what you love, live every moment, because we don't know if we have it tomorrow. I don't know, bro, like we're here for a reason, why not make the best of it? I also have a book that I really suggest. A family member of mine wrote it, and it's amazing. It's just amazing. It'll be down below. It's really good for people our age because it's written in a way where it's like, it's just really cool, it's really casual. I don't know, it's enlightening and also very helpful, and also just kind of like a chill book, like you're having a conversation with someone. You know, over the past couple years, I've had a lot of different outlooks on life, I've thought a lot of different things, and I finally kind of have just, I feel like, found a good mindset for myself. I feel like for me, like kind of being that spiritual, like meditation, really like being in touch with yourself and everything around you and other people's emotions and not just yours, because that's just how you can really connect to somebody and just whatever and understand. It's all about understanding, I feel like, in this world, and a lot of people don't seek to understand, they just seek to judge, or they seek to whatever. I don't really know what else to say other than like I'm doing a lot better, I'm doing really good, I'm in a great place emotionally, like myself wise. You know, sometimes I can have anxiety attacks and things can get overwhelming, but I always can come back to my peace of mind of not really giving a like I used to, and just being there for myself and being there for my loved ones and not caring about the bullshit that's going on around me that doesn't matter and won't actually have any impact on my life in a couple of years. I used to just overthink everything, just like, girl, I wasted so much brain power on things that didn't matter when I should have put them into things I love, my career, my passion. You live and you learn, and I'm just happy that I'm finally at a place where I'm like, yes, I learned. I have nowhere near the mindset I had. Luckily, I grew a lot. So really happy about that. Someone asked why have I been so absent on social media, and what I just explained, you know, the kind of funk I was in, is partly the main reason. I've been a lot more active on my Instagram, shameless promo, Mel.Joy. I'm trying to get Mel Joy, but she blocked me, and I'm like, please girl, like just do me this solid, bro. So go DM her. Oh my god, no, that'd be really annoying. Never mind. I've been a lot more active on there, and I've been getting back active on YouTube, which I'm happy about, and I want to go full force. I'm done with the bullshit I've been dealing with around me. It's gone out of my life for the most part, and I'm just so grateful for that. I went through it, and I'm going to live my best life and do what I love, focus on YouTube, focus on myself and the people I love. That's all that matters, bro. And you guys, a huge part of my life. Also, something that I've noticed about my mental health is, yes, I have anxiety, but I feel like it's just a way of me caring a lot, and that's just the person I am. I care a lot. I always have, and I always will. It's something I was born with. I feel like I just care. I care a lot about things I shouldn't even care about, but I do. I'm finally, I feel like, in the mindset where I can be active and I can put out content, because before I just feel like I wasn't in the mindset to. You guys could see it too. So someone asked, how are my dogs? And they're amazing. Ryder is here with me, and Travis is back at home with one of my friends who was kind of like a co-owner. He took care of Travis for a while I was in LA a year ago, so they have like a really good bond. Travis was here a little bit and then is now in the Bay with him. But Ryder is here with me, my favorite girl, and she's amazing. So someone asked 3 words to describe my life right now. Good. Content. I'm content. Kind of, you know. I do wish there were more people in this house. Challenging, but in a good way and a hard way. Not a bad way. You know. Yeah, I just spaced on words I could use, so I hope that works. I hope that sounds good. So someone asked if I'm vegan again, and yes, I started as a vegetarian, went to vegan. I'm either gonna stay vegan or go back to vegetarian, but no meat. I love animals too much, bro, and it's better for the environment. After seeing what they do to animals in there, it's just like, I can't, bro. I can't. I look at the meat and I see the blood and I see the bones, and it just... Someone asked, do I miss the Bay? And yes, every day. I love the Bay. I'm from the Bay originally, if you didn't know. I was there for 2 weeks and it was awesome. I saw so many people that I've been wanting to see, like people I haven't seen since middle school, people I haven't seen since high school. It was a blast. But yeah, I miss it a lot. It's honestly amazing there. So someone asked me about my weight gain, and I'm gonna talk about this because it's something a lot of people talk about. A lot of people are asking. I'm about like 5'4"-ish, 5'5". I used to be very thin, and I know you only see here up, and fun fact, a camera, like when you're recording, it adds 10 pounds on you, like in TV, YouTube, all that. So I do look 10 pounds heavier right now, by the way. So online, I felt like back in my day when I was underweight, I kind of looked normal online, but my doctor was like, you need to gain weight. Like, this is not good. And I was like, oh, like people online tell me those body goals. Like, that's when I was younger and my mind just got more manipulated. Do you know what I mean? Like, it's just, I don't know. My doctor was just like, girl, and I also went through a breakup, so I like just ate more. I'm actually at a normal healthy weight for my height right now. At one point I was a little heavier, but I lost a little bit of weight. Like, it also from up here, I used to play basketball. I played basketball for like 8 years of my life. My body was trained at a young age. I did a lot of push-ups. My body was trained to just like build muscle here, because dribble in the shoe, like it's a lot of arm strength. So that's also something that like I have an insecurity about, but it makes me look bigger than I am. But like self-defense though, I mean, I could beat someone up if I needed to. I have a lot of like arm strength, I just got, you know. But like even when I was really skinny, I still had, you know, this like bigger arms. Also have big bones, so I love that. So like trying to like get my abs back and, you know, be a good weight but also be toned. You guys remember, like I was on my health grind. That's also when I lived at home, I feel like, and my parents are super healthy. I moved out, I kind of started like not eating as healthy as my parents, and now I'm like back to like pretty good eating. Cheat sometimes, but you know. I think that's all the questions I'm gonna answer for this video. I think I answered a good amount. Let me know any other videos you want to see from me. I'm gonna be uploading once a week, and I want to start twice a week, but I'm not gonna promise that until I do it because actions speak louder than words. Duh. I hope I answered everything you guys have been wondering, and if not, let me know down below and I will answer it for you. I love you guys to infinity and beyond, and I mean it when I say it, and I hope you know that. But I will hopefully see your beautiful faces in my next video. Deuces.